Hello, welcome back to Brassic Classics. I've done it again. It's not a Land Rover. This is a 1977 Citroen Ami 8 Saloon, which has just got out of its hibernation for how many years, Lloyd?
Is that 6-7 years?
This is Lloyd behind the camera. I'll introduce you in a bit. He restored this car to this point, and I've just bought it because I needed another project. Oh God, why have I done this? Lloyd, have a look around the car. Have a look around. Take a look at my magnificence in blue.
Yeah.
So turquoise.
Turquoise blue.
I think it's 77. R77.
I'm not sure.
But yeah, it's all here. If you have a look inside, I've got re-upholstered seats, spare windscreen. We've just prepped it to go on the back of a low loader, hence the fetching gaffer tape, sorry, masking tape, and nearly a matching colour. Under here, Lloyd's included. Oh God, if I can get it.
Well, put your hand
I've got it. It's an engine. How many horsepower is this, Lloyd?
602.
602. It's basically a 2CV engine, yeah?
Yes.
Pretty much. So what I've got to do is probably put a new wiring loom on it, get it running, and then interior, exterior finishes. But yeah, look at this. Have a look at the beautiful Frenchness. Very French. Loving it. Anyway, we're going to take it to my new workshop and we're going to unload it, and then it's going to get the Brassic Classic treatment. Okay, so this is Lloyd, who I bought the car from, a friend of mine. We've worked together doing a few projects, including this one behind us. Long story, won't get into that.
No.
Lloyd, tell me about this lovely car.
Well, I was given it about 10 years ago.
Given it? I paid you money for this.
It was totally rotten. I rebuilt, redid all the panels, just went through the whole car, and then got to the point where I sort of fell out of love with it really, and just left it in storage for about 5-6 years. And now it's going to a new home, Neil.
Yeah, man.
Originally it was given to a friend of the family, Ian Cheswright, who was also a drummer like Neil.
Boom.
So that's about it really. Oh, this colour is my favourite colour as well.
And it's not blue, is it?
It's turquoise blue.
It's turquoise blue. It's not an original colour.
No, it was beige before.
I don't really care.
No.
It's not far off a Citroen original colour, is it?
Yes, they did do them in this colour.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh.
Anyway, this is what we've got. We're going to get it on the low loader.
Yeah.
Get it over to the
Boxes
workshop.
of bits.
We've got boxes of bits. Got everything. We've got loads of stuff. Loads of good stuff.
He's got a big project on his hands.
Well, for me, this is a medium-sized project. Look at this. It's got stuff already connected. Way. Anyway, let's get this to
Well,
Dover.
that's goodbye from me.
Goodbye from him, goodbye from us, goodbye from me.
Yeah.
So we're getting the Citroen Ami on the trailer. We've removed it from its house for the past 6 years.
Now straighten it up.
And here we go.
Little wheel. A bit further. That's it.
So there you have it, one Citroen Ami 8. Very nearly successfully loaded. And yeah, if you look at the back of the Chrysler tow vehicle. I'm not, you're right.
You know the turb, you've got the lens cap on.
That's Robert. And if you look at the back of his car, that's some Citroen DS alloys. Anyway, we're on. There goes the Citroen Ami on its way to its new home. Okay, we are at Brassic Classics HQ. Now had a bit of a clean out. Put in a couple of bits. This is all the Citroen Ami parts. Plus a freezer that's also going. And just some storage stuff. Still got to clear all this lot. There's Lloyd. Way. This lot's all got to go still on this side.
Yeah, I'm going too.
Lloyd's going as well. He's going to Southampton. And then Citroen's coming in, which you'll see in the previous video. We just arrived here. And then my Land Rover Series 1, we've now named it Mouse, will be going in. Okay, right, so here we are in Brassic Classics Workshop HQ. Citroen Ami 8 made it. It's in its new home. There you go. That's it. There's all the parts. There's the car. Land Rover's going here.
And there's the person who's going to put it back together.
So we'll put that together. Anyway, if you enjoyed this, do like, share and subscribe for more Citroen AMI 8 videos coming soon. Thanks very much. Goodbye.